Let's solve some of the important questions from UGC NET Archaeology 2023 paper. So the very first question that we would discuss here is Makar Vahini Ganga is depicted on which of the types of coins of Samudragupta? So the answer is Tiger Slayer types of the coins depict Makar Vahini Ganga. Now Makar Vahini Ganga is a depiction of goddess Ganga riding on a makar. Makar means a mythical creature which is half a crocodile, half a fish, and therefore called as Makar Vahini Ganga. Now, this type of depiction has been often seen during the Gupta period, and Tiger Slayer type is one of the coins where during the reign of Samudragupta, this depiction was seen, and this is on the reverse side where riding a makar, the Ganga or the goddess Ganga is being depicted with her hand in which she is holding the flower lotus, and this is one of the very interesting depictions. A very interesting question, the archaeological sites and the evidences. So date palm was originally belonging to which region? The Middle East and even the North African areas. And then comes garlic. Now garlic was native to Central Asia. Both of these, the presence of these have been seen in the archaeological sites at Balu. Balu is a site located in Kutch in the region of Gujarat, and there is where we have found the evidence of date and garlic. A really important question, lots and lots of questions every time from Harappan civilization and post Harappan civilization. Even Iron Age is one of the important aspects. Sangu is an important archaeological site which is located in the region of Saurashtra, Gujarat. Hulas in the region of Sindh in the present day Pakistan, and Kunal is another archaeological site in the region of Mehsana in Gujarat. So three of the sites have been mentioned from Gujarat, one from Pakistan, but Balu and Kutch is the site where date and garlics have been found in the archaeological evidence. The next is name the site situated in the Khavda Island of Rann of Kutch. Now Khavda Island, one of the small islands, is Junikaran. Now Junikaran is the site which is situated here, and that is in the Khavda region in the Rann of Kutch. It is an archaeological site which belongs to the Harappan period again, as we have seen in the previous one. There are numerous questions on Harappa, and Gujarat being one of the centers for the Harappan civilization, we have home to numerous sites. This was excavated by Archaeological Survey of India. It was identified as a well-planned city with numerous public buildings, presence of granaries, and even a stepped platform was found in this region. So Junikaran is one of the important sites which is located in the Khavda Islands in the region of Rann of Kutch. Dholavira again is located in the region of Rann of Kutch. Kuntasi is located in the region of Kutch, again in Gujarat. And Surkota, again an archaeological site which is a little away from the Kharoda Bait, and this is again one of the archaeological sites. So all of these four are archaeological sites, but the one which is at the Khavda Island is Junikaran. Again an important question. Now the next is, who stated that Harappan religion has a Shamanistic component? And this was given by Shireen Ratnagar. Shireen Ratnagar actually believed that there is a Shamanistic component which believes in the spirits and ability of certain individuals to who call themselves as shamans or leads to communicate with those spirits that exist. Now the evidence have been seen through the figurine depictions of animals, human creatures and trance states, and this actually reveals the one of the very important characteristics of the archaeological period. The next is, during the Chalcolithic culture of Maharashtra, what has been the name? So the Chalcolithic culture which has been seen in Maharashtra is known as the Jorvi culture. In Madhya Pradesh it is the Kathia. In Rajasthan it is known as the Ahar, which is based on the Ahar river flowing through the region of southeast Udaipur. Then you have the parts of Maharashtra where Malwa culture, and the central India, the region of Deccan, where Malwa culture is seen. Now Malwa is known for its agricultural way of life. Ahar is known for copper and stone civilization. Again, copper and stone is seen in the Kathia civilization along with barley and legumes. Jhovar is a unique region where copper along with iron has been found, and here a lot of millets have been identified. So this is one of the another important questions from archaeology. The complete preparation material for UGC archaeology is available on Doorstep Tutor in the archaeology section. Even the material for the history is available. The complete solutions for the latest papers are available there. Wish you good luck. Thanks for joining in.